let's explore a fascinating and somewhat controversial concept that challenges the very foundations of how we understand the universe, Rupert Sheldrake's theory of morphic resonance. This theory dares to question the traditional mechanistic view of reality and instead suggests a world where memories and habits are not just stored in brains or cells, but in a kind of collective memory field that spans across time and space. Rupert Sheldrake, a biologist and author, proposed morphic resonance in the early 1980s. At its core, this theory posits that natural systems, such as crystals, plants, animals, and even human minds, inherit a collective memory from previous similar systems. It suggests that there is a field that connects all instances of a particular form or pattern, and that this field influences the development and behavior of these systems. Imagine this: once something happens for the first time, it becomes easier for it to happen again. The past influences the present, not just through direct physical connections, but through a kind of resonance across time and space. As Carl Jung once said, "In all chaos, there is a cosmos, in all disorder a secret order." This resonates with Sheldrake's idea that there is an underlying order, a morphic field, that connects all living things. Though morphic resonance is a bold theory, it has not been without empirical support, albeit controversial. One of the most compelling studies supporting Sheldrake's theory involved the learning behavior of rats. In this study, rats were trained to escape from a water maze in a specific way. Surprisingly, when rats on the other side of the world were subjected to the same experiment, they learned to escape the maze faster, as if somehow tapping into the collective memory of the first group of rats. Sheldrake also conducted experiments on human perception. One of his famous studies involved people trying to identify which of 4 randomly selected pictures someone else was looking at. The results consistently showed that people were able to identify the correct picture at a rate higher than chance, suggesting some form of non-local connection between minds. This subtle connection, intangible yet undeniably present, reminds us of Albert Einstein's words, "The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious." It is the source of all true art and science. Morphic resonance challenges the reductionist view that the universe is merely a machine, where all processes can be explained by the interaction of parts. Instead, it offers a holistic view, where everything is interconnected through fields of information. As Sheldrake himself put it, the idea of a collective memory is not new, but its implications are profound. It implies that all self-organizing systems have a kind of collective memory, and that this memory plays a key role in their development and behavior. One might wonder, why hasn't this theory been widely accepted if it holds such promise? The answer lies in the fact that morphic resonance contradicts the prevailing scientific paradigm, which is deeply rooted in materialism and the belief that all phenomena can be reduced to physical processes. Sheldrake's theory introduces a kind of non-physical influence, which many scientists find difficult to reconcile with their understanding of the world. As we stand on the brink of new scientific discoveries, it is essential to remain open to ideas that challenge the status quo. Rupert Sheldrake's theory of morphic resonance, with its radical implications, invites us to reimagine the way we think about memory, learning, and the very fabric of reality itself. Whether or not this theory becomes a cornerstone of future science, it serves as a powerful reminder that the universe is still full of mysteries waiting to be explored. Thanks for listening and hope you found this information interesting. Nate.